Okay, this is US oil. Oil is like the same thing with USD CAD. So last week when the price come to here, yeah, let's see here. So the people think, oh well, the oil price will drop down and will start pull back, will start correction wave. Uh, People think probably heading down to here or 55 or something. And but the same thing happened to like USD CAD the last Friday, yeah. So when the candle formation with this candle, we have to pay attention. We have to it's like kind of alert. So from daily chart, it's still in the consolidation. It's up and down, and but from last Friday, and it's already break up this point, 60. So next week, I believe the oil price will be heading to 63.50. No, here, 63. Yeah, because when the candle formation is three, when you see this three candle, this three, yeah, it's heading higher. It should be heading higher. Same thing like USD CAD is USD CAD. This candle here is indicates that the USD CAD is heading lower, so oil price, the Canadian dollar is strong, so the oil price is still heading higher. This is another. We check the 4 hours. Yeah, there's another wave to finish this consolidation and another higher high, 63.50, 60 around that. Yeah. So next week, we just keep long view of the oil price. Maybe we can wait a little bit, pull back in, let's say 30 minutes. Yeah, maybe down here or here, and then we start long US oil. Sorry, yeah, oil price, oil. Yes.